Alright guys, today I'm working on a 2006 325i BMW. I'm trying to remove this oil pan here. Got some oil leak going on. So let's get started. We're going to start by, as you can see I already have it dismantled, but I'll show you in detail. This is the lower control arm, front left. Remove those. Got the rear one, remove the rear as well. The sway bar links. You have the power steering lines that goes to the rack and pinion here. You disconnect that. Also the shaft to the rack and pinion back here. You can see it's right back there. I already disconnected it. Remove that. And also they have 3 bolts that hold the subframe. 1, 2, 3, both sides. And they have this coolant line in the front with a pipe. Actually, there's a T30 that holds this down on both sides. You remove these 2, and let's get it going. So as you can see, I have a transmission jack supported in the subframe, and that will help you guide it down. So here we go. I'm gonna drop it down. Alright, so here comes the subframe coming down. As you can see, we have a lot of room to work now. Have everything off, everything loose. There we go. Everything is loose now.
I gotta look at the requirements on you.
Alright guys, today I'm working on this 2006 325 here, as you can see. So don't forget, you have to support the engine on top before you do anything.